I was feeling really blue about not going back to school this year. Then it occurred to me, I'm learning so much now that I wouldn't be if I was at school. So I decided that when life gives me lemons, I'm going to make lemonade. Lemon suggests the sourness or the difficulties we all face in life, like not being able to go back to school or being able to go out to dinner with our friends and family. Lemonade is turning those difficulties into something sweet or positive. My lemonade is finally having the time to learn new things, like how to make this PowerPoint. So I guess it's all how you want to look at life. Every cloud has a silver lining. We have all had bad things happen to us. But no matter how bad a situation is, better days are ahead. There is something good hidden inside everything that is bad. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and every cloud has a silver lining are examples of idioms. Idioms are words that have a different figurative meaning than the literal meanings of each word or phrase. Literal refers to the normal, everyday, most basic meaning of the word versus the non-literal or figurative, when a word means something other than its normal everyday meaning. I remember when we did idioms in school. I remember how much fun we had, especially Mrs. Harrigan and I. We both never realized how often we used figurative language. Here is my beautiful new idiom anchor chart. In the middle it says, idioms, a word or phrase that has a different meaning than what is being said. A piece of cake means something is easy to do. When pigs fly means it'll never happen. Break a leg means good luck, which I never understood that one. Hit the books means you need to study. I'm feeling blue, like I said I was at the beginning of this, means I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling sad that we can't go back to school this year. Raining cats and dogs means that it's raining really hard and really loud. Why don't you take a screenshot of our new anchor chart? If you press the window button, the Alt, and print screen, it'll take a screenshot and it will save it to your pictures, I think. The idioms you see on the screen are the familiar idioms, the ones we really talked about in school. Ones that you know. As easy as ABC means something is very easy. I already knew how to ice skate, so learning to rollerblade was as easy as ABC. Get your act together. Behave properly. Emily already got into trouble this week, so I told her she better get her act together. A bull in a china shop is someone who is very clumsy. When Tommy was learning to walk, he bumped into everything. He was like a bull in a china shop. There are also some unfamiliar idioms, ones that we don't hear very often. A lot I just learned myself. Bee in her bonnet. She is upset. Lynn has a bee in her bonnet about not being able to go back to school this year. Fell on deaf ears. People wouldn't listen to something. I gave the directions to the students twice, but I guess they fell on deaf ears. they meaning the directions. Your directions in writing this week. Watch the PowerPoint on idioms, which you already have, then find an unfamiliar idiom. Use it in a sentence and draw a picture using both the literal and the non-literal or figurative meanings. Here's an example of your assignment. And no, you cannot use the same one. Crocodile tears. You pretend to be upset. Crying crocodile tears won't help you finish the writing assignment. The literal meaning, the crocodile actually crying. The non-literal or figurative meaning, what I'm trying to say is crying isn't going to get your work done.